There are places where stories and real life mix, and Romania is one of them. Old castles stand tall above foggy forests where wild bears still roam, just like they always have. In hidden valleys, colorful churches glow, their painted walls telling stories from hundreds of years ago. From the Danube River, full of birds, to the old towns of Transylvania with their stone streets, old tales come alive here. The air is full of stories, asking you to walk where kings, skilled workers, and famous counts once did. In this super clear video, we'll show you 40 of Romania's most amazing places. This is more than just a trip, it's a deep dive. With helpful tips, amazing drone views, and rich stories, see Romania in all its glory. Get ready, the trip starts now. High above the clouds, the wind shapes rocks into strange and wonderful forms. This winding road cuts through the mountains, a bold sign of what people can achieve. A beautiful blue lake in summer, a frozen land with an ice palace every winter. A rocky ridge cutting through the sky where tough edelweiss flowers grow. The land with blue eyes, 80 lakes made by glaciers reflecting wildflowers in the sky. Deep underground, a quiet glacier has been there for thousands of years. Romania's Olympus, where the sun at dawn casts a quick pyramid shadow across the land. Waterfalls 90 meters in a green mossy area where wild horses roam. On Romania's highest peak, endless sky and sharp ridges make everyone who visits feel small. Old stone circles stand in a quiet forest, mysterious remains of the Dacian kingdom. More than just the Dracula story, this fairy tale castle tells tales of queens and knights. A palace that looks like a new old-style dream, where every room whispers about art. A Gothic fortress from old stories with a water ditch and a bridge that pulls up. A living old town, its colorful houses and stone streets full of history. A star-shaped fort, a perfect example of military design and grand ceremonies. Winding up from its hilltop, this fort tells a story of staying strong and lasting. A farmer's fort now looks over a valley of huge old creatures, a strange mix. Surrounded by walls and grapevines, its famous lock was made to help couples get along. Life here moves to the sound of horse carts, a German village saved in time. Where old grand buildings meet the lively energy of a busy student city. A changing world of water and tall grass, a safe place for groups of pelicans at sunrise. The Eye of the Bay, a blue-green pool feeding magical white waterfalls. Water slides over green moss, forming a delicate bell-shaped curtain. Born from a mudslide, this lake's spooky tree trunks stick out of its mysterious waters. A huge concrete arch holding back a giant lake, an amazing piece of building. The earth bubbles and breathes here, making a tiny moon-like landscape. Romania's only lake in a volcano hole, its green waters are best seen by kayak. The Danube River squeezes between cliffs, watched by the carved face of an old king. A single stone pillar rises from Lake Bucegi, surrounded by old stories. Inside the ice cave, a cold pool reflects the frozen world above. Romania's Bermuda Triangle, twisted trees and spooky open spots make a haunting feeling. A dramatic stone canyon, its cliffs a fun place for hikers and adventurers. Water springs and green pools where clear water shows fish swimming around. Rapa Rosi, a tiny Grand Canyon of glowing red clay. Its rough land looks best when the sun is low. Detunata Goala, a bare dark rock peak showing amazing six-sided volcanic columns. Its otherworldly landscape is truly unforgettable. Wind and time have shaped these rocks into wild forms, often hidden in fog. It's a place that feels both very old and mysterious. The Olt River cuts through mountains, showing valleys rich in old church history and ancient beech woods. Crossing this mountain pass shows rolling green fields and beautiful hand-carved wooden gates. Above the ice cave, a special small climate helps rare wet lands and delicate orchids grow. Go down into a huge salt hall, now an amazing underground fun park. We've traveled from castles touching clouds to forests whispering stories and rivers like glass. Romania is like a magic spell made from earthstone and tales, a place that touches your heart. Each of these 40 wonders asks you to explore and add your own part to its story. The adventure you see on screen is just a small peek at what's waiting for you in person. If you're excited, help us share these amazing places, like subscribe and ring the bell for more. Your help brings more of the world's beauty to your screen. Until next time, keep looking wide and stay curious.